friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I will be cooking a ribeye steak in the air fryer. So what we need is steak, seasonings. I will use salt, pepper, and garlic powder, and you can use seasonings of your choice, anything you like. And I will also use a non-stick cooking spray just to make sure the steak doesn't stick to the air fryer basket. So first, I'm going to season the steak. So sprinkle steak with the seasonings. So I done salt, pepper, and garlic powder. And now I will flip it over and season the other side. And now rub the seasonings into the meat. So now the meat is seasoned, so let's open the air fryer basket. Once you take out the basket, let's spray it with a non-stick cooking spray. As an alternative to spray, you can also use olive oil or vegetable oil and just brush the inside of the basket with it. And I'll just use the spray. And now let's put seasoned steak in the air fryer. And now let's put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And I will set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I will set the time to 13 minutes. Now halfway through the cooking time, let's open the air fryer. And let's flip the steaks over. And put it back in the air fryer and let it finish cooking. Now the air fryer is done cooking, so let's take a look. Look at this delicious steak. It looks amazing, perfectly cooked. Now you can use the instant read thermometer to see exactly whether it's cooked to your liking. So for rare, you need 125 degrees Fahrenheit, for medium 145 degrees Fahrenheit, and 165 degrees Fahrenheit, and up is well done. So this is medium, 145 is medium. So if it's not cooked enough to your liking, you can always put it back in the air fryer for several more minutes. The exact time depends on how thick is the steak and the make and model of your air fryer. So I'm going to now remove the steaks from the air fryer. See how easy it was to make them? They look amazing. I'm so excited about trying them. Now let's try the steak. I'm so excited about trying it. Nice, medium well. Look at that, looks so good. So juicy and tender. You're going to love this air fryer steak. For a free printable recipe and other easy air fryer recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!